Look at this unforgiving wasteland. Under the blistering sun, workers manually smash bone-dry rocks, battling a hostile environment. Yet an incredible agricultural transformation begins here. Heavy bulldozers roar across the expanse, leveling the sandy terrain for sprawling farms. To breathe life into this dead earth, dump trucks unload massive quantities of rich organic compost onto the ground. A front-end loader moves in next. Its steel bucket aggressively blends the nutrient-dense compost deep into the sterile sand. With the soil prepped, the search for water begins. An industrial rig drives its steel bit into subterranean layers. To power this operation sustainably, crews assemble an expansive solar grid. The gleaming panels catch intense sunlight, converting it to energy. That solar power immediately drives heavy-duty pumps, pulling crystal-clear water from the aquifer and sending it into an open reservoir. Far from the harsh sun, propagation starts. Gloved hands meticulously press premium olive seeds into small trays of nutrient-rich humus. These trays are arranged on racks inside a nursery where a specialized mesh roof filters the light into even shade. Before long, the seeds break dormancy. Vibrant green cotyledons push through the dark soil, reaching upward to become trees. Once sturdy enough, workers transplant these seedlings into individual grow bags. Thousands of small pots now line the nursery floor. Back in the reclaimed desert, a tractor equipped with a hydraulic auger drills perfectly spaced holes across the fertile landscape. The saplings are brought out stripped of their plastic bags and gently lowered into pits amended with the compost. Farmhands follow closely with shovels, carefully backfilling the holes and packing the earth tightly around the roots to secure them. Technicians then roll out miles of flexible tubing, laying down a highly efficient drip irrigation network alongside every trunk on the horizon. Slowly and precisely, water escapes from tiny emitters, releasing drops that instantly soak into the crust to deliver targeted moisture. As the trees establish themselves, manual labor remains essential. Workers carefully weed the areas surrounding the trunks, preventing plants from stealing nutrients. Agricultural technicians routinely inspect the orchard's health, gently flipping the vibrating green leaves to check for early signs of destructive pests. When intervention is needed, modern technology takes over. An agricultural drone lifts off from a dirt clearing in the farm. Flying high above the canopy, the drone sprays a biological protective mist, casting a fine white haze over the foliage. As seasons shift, mature trees burst into bloom. Delicate, creamy white flower clusters sway in the breeze, signaling a bountiful harvest. Those flowers soon transform. Plump green and black olives reach their maximum size, swelling on branches while casting shadows under sunlight. When harvest day arrives, crews drag massive nylon mesh tarps across the ground, wrapping them securely around the tree bases. Workers bring in battery-powered shaker rakes, guiding the long poles into the canopy to clamp onto branches and vibrate the crop loose. In seconds, thousands of ripe green and black olives rain down from the branches, bouncing rapidly against the taut nylon netting. 4 workers grab the corners of the wide tarp, pulling the edges inward so the scattered fruits roll together. The gathered olives are funneled from the mesh into plastic harvest bins, pouring in like a cascading waterfall of produce. A rugged forklift swiftly navigates the sunny fields, hoisting the heavy fruit-filled bins high into the air and loading them. Leaving the scorching desert, the truck arrives at a climate-controlled facility, dumping its payload of fresh olives into a massive stainless hopper. A wide rubber conveyor catches the avalanche of fruit, transporting the immense volume up a steep incline into the sorting area. The belt drops the incoming harvest into a gleaming stainless flume where the olives plunge into aerated water splashing foam. Aggressive air bubbles agitate the water, scrubbing the fruit. Through the glass window, olives tumble rapidly, completely shedding the desert dirt. Still dripping wet, the clean fruit passes under high-powered blower fans. Intense air currents blast away remaining dry leaves and twigs. The fruit then rolls across vibrating slotted grids. Smaller olives fall through the precise gaps, while the largest premium fruits continue. Next, an advanced optical scanner reads the color of each item, firing targeted bursts of compressed air to separate black from green. The dark, fully ripened black olives are funneled directly into a towering stainless steel crushing mill that gleams brightly under LED lighting. Inside the mill, a heavy-duty steel auger aggressively pulverizes the whole fruit's crushing pits and flesh together into a thick, oily paste. This dense paste is pumped into a malaxer for slow churning. The rhythmic mixing allows microscopic oil droplets to pool into gloss. Fed into a high-speed centrifuge, intense rotational force separates solids from liquids, expelling a stunning stream of vibrant golden-green olive oil. Meanwhile, the uncrushed green olives take a different path. They are completely submerged into large vats of saltwater brine to extract bitterness. Back on the extraction line, freshly spun cold-pressed oil passes through an industrial paper filter, capturing suspended solids so the liquid emerges pure. Both the purified golden oil and perfectly cured green olives are pumped into a sprawling network of massive stainless holding tanks. The packaging phase begins as workers manually load elegant square glass bottles and round jars onto the automated production line's starting point. A conveyor feeds these transparent containers forward in straight lines, carrying them directly into a highly sterile, heavily illuminated automated filling chamber. Robotic nozzles descend in unison. Golden oil flows smoothly into square bottles, while cured whole olives and brine dispense simultaneously into wide-mouthed jars. To guarantee absolute consistency, a laser sensor scans horizontally across the container necks, shooting a red beam to verify identical fill levels. Down the line, a robotic arm drops metallic twist caps onto the oil bottles and clamp-style lids onto jars with a clink. A mechanical rotary chuck engages the metallic caps on the oil bottles, spinning rapidly to tighten them with uncompromising precision. Simultaneously, a pneumatic press stamps down hard on the jar lids. The forceful compression creates a popping noise, locking in an airtight seal. A vacuum sensor lightly presses against the center of each jar lid. If any lid bows upward, indicating a failed seal, the system registers it. With containers properly sealed, the bottles and jars glide smoothly along metal guide rails, transitioning directly into the high-speed labeling and branding station. A spinning roller applies a premium paper label to the smooth glass, pressing firmly to wrap the elegant branding flawlessly around. Next, an optical camera snaps high-speed photographs of each label, while a monitor flashes analytical data to check for misalignment or trapped bubbles. If the system detects a crooked label, a pneumatic cylinder fires instantly, knocking the defective bottle off the main conveyor to ensure perfect presentation. Approved containers advance to a grouping station where a robotic arm precisely corrals the bottles and jars, organizing them neatly into clusters. With the grouping complete, the robot lifts the 12-pack and descends swiftly, dropping the entire batch perfectly into the bottom of an awaiting carton. The filled carton shoots through an automated case sealer, which swiftly folds down the top flaps and applies a tamper-evident sealing tape. These freshly sealed, logo-stamped boxes slide smoothly down a long roller conveyor, forming a tightly packed train heading toward the palletizing area. A massive, articulated robotic arm takes over effortlessly, lifting multiple cartons at once and stacking them in perfectly interlocking layers onto a pallet. Finally, an industrial forklift scoops up the towering, fully loaded pallet, driving it deep into a massive refrigerated warehouse, completing the journey to global distribution.